Today I'll show you how to turn on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So as you can see, it has no buttons. So the only way to turn this thing on is by plugging it directly to a charger. So your charger comes in the box, and this is what the charger looks like. This is the charger. So it's a magnetic charger, and it has a normal USB end. So what you need to do is basically plug in your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 to a charger, and that will turn it on. So let's do that. So plug this in into a power source. It can be a laptop, a power outlet, or whichever source you have. Plug it in. Then once plugged in to an external power source, go and link this magnetic band on the back of your Xiaomi band. So let's do that. So this is the magnetic part here. So what you have to do is align this charger to the magnetic end of the watch, or the magnetic pin of the watch. Once it aligns, make sure it's aligned, so it will look like that, and your watch will boot up. So basically, to power this thing on, you just need to plug it on a charger, and once it receives power, it will power on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.